Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how you can start commands and run jobs and commands in the background even though you kill the terminal or force or the session. So let's say I want to start PHP development server in the current directory. I have HTML5. So let's say I want to view this file in the browser, and I'm going to start a PHP development server on localhost, and let's say at 1000 port. If I hit enter, the development server has started and we can view that page in the browser. As you can see, hello world. Now let's say I want to start this development server in the background. I can pass in-person sign, and if I go back, we still have the page up and running while we can execute other commands. As you can see right here, it displays it's still running the development server while we can execute other command right here. So what happens if I close this session, that job will be terminated and will be killed, so the development server will not working anymore. So if I close this and go back and refresh the page, as you can see it's loading. As you can see, the development server has stopped. So what we can do to not kill this process, let's directory web direct. Here I have HTML5. So that we have hop program, and to start that on the background, just type no hop, and then the command that you want to execute in the background even though you kill the terminal or the session. So if I pass localhost, and then let's start this on 8000 port for ads, and if I hit enter, it displays ignore output. It actually creates this file where all the logs will be stored. So now if I go back and refresh the page, here we have the hello world index.html is up and running. So now what would happen if I close this terminal? So this, in the previous example, we saw that the process was killed and the development server was not working anymore. So now this will not happen in this case. So if I close this and if I go back and if I refresh, as you can see, it's still working, which means the development server is still running until we close this application. So the session is closed, terminated, but that process is not killed yet. So that is the no hub command in Linux. We have no hub for main page. You can get a lot of information. We have some other flags as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.